Hi my sweet IPs, this is Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Innovative People. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to stay updated from across the globe. So let's start our today's topic.
We generate about 40 million tons of electronic waste every year. It's alarming, equivalent to throwing away 800 laptops every second, which is marvelous. The United States alone produces 9.4 million tons of e-waste every year. China is a major dumping ground of the e-waste from the United States. The electronics litter the streets and poison the residents. And high levels of lead have been reported among residents. The average cell phone user replaces their unit once every 18 months. Approximately 350,000 mobile phones are disposed of each day. That equates to more than 152 million phones thrown away in 1 year. Even when recycled, a significant amount of electronic material cannot be recovered. Recycling circuit boards can be more valuable than mining ore. 1 ton of circuit boards is estimated to contain 40 to 800 times than what can usually be found in 1 metric ton of ore. There is 30 to 40 times more copper in a ton of circuit boards that can be mined from 1 metric ton of ore. 85% of our e-waste is sent to landfills and incinerators, which are mostly burned and released harmful toxins in the air. Electronics contain lead, which damages central nervous system and kidneys. A child's mental development can be affected by low levels exposure to lead. The most common hazardous electronic items include LCD desktop monitors, LCD televisions, plasma television, TVs and computers with cathode ray tubes. E-waste contain hundreds of substances, of which many are toxic. These include mercury, lead, arsenic, cadmium, chromium and flame retardants. 80% of e-waste in the US and most of other countries are transported to Asia and Africa. 300 million computers and 1 billion cell phones go into production annually. It is expected to grow by 8% per year, and with it the amount of e-waste. It takes 530 lbs of fossil fuels, 480 lbs for chemicals to manufacture just 1 computer and a monitor. The chemical waste gets then dumped into the oceans, which affects many marine species and destroys their habitats. Kindly share with your loved ones to aware them of this